Hi friends, I'm Christine and here's what's going on at Restore Therapy Spa for July 2023. Our first announcement is that we are now proudly offering TMJ Massage. If that's something you might be interested in, you could schedule a free consult with our certified TMJ Massage therapist. Just see our front desk for more information. Our second announcement is that we have recently launched our brand new Summer Pass. With this pass, you get unlimited basic services for 3 months. It's $149 a month and it pays for itself in less than 4 sessions. Our service of the month for July is functional medicine. Unlike conventional medicine that treats the symptoms, functional medicine looks for root causes for your health concerns. If you book a full functional medicine evaluation during the month of July, you'll get $50 off. Join us on July 28th at 6 p.m. for our natural medicine workshop. In this workshop, you'll learn about the difference between functional medicine and conventional medicine and whether or not the symptoms you're experiencing could benefit from functional medicine treatment. You will also get a free B12 shot, a free basic service sample, and you'll have the opportunity to get a 15-minute consultation with our naturopathic doctor, Dr. Jessica Needle, and you will also get access to exclusive functional medicine discounts. You won't want to miss it. Our limited time package for the month is called our Total Wellness Package. This was expertly designed to improve wellness in mind and body. It includes 1 Myers cocktail infusion or 6 B12 shots, 1 full body balance or pro session for lymphatic drainage, 4 biomat deep relaxation sessions, and a free 15-minute functional medicine consultation. You'll also get exclusive discounts if you decide to go for the full evaluation for functional medicine. You would definitely want to check this out. It's only $249 and it has a value of almost $500. Our product of the month is Spectra Spray Vitamin Sprays. They offer superior absorption when compared to pills and capsules, and they're available for purchase in our lobby. And before I let you go, I wanted to tell you about our brand new referral program. So now every time you refer a new client to Restore Therapy Spa and they give us your name, you will get a $10 gift card. So please continue spreading the word about us. We really appreciate all your referrals. Thank you. So that's what's going on this month. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about anything you saw in this video, don't hesitate to ask the front desk. As always, thank you for telling a friend. Thank you for writing Google reviews. Don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter and follow us on social media. Be well.